Polaroid P900 direct-to-card printer. The world's most user-friendly ID card printer. Let's take a look at what is included in the box. Power supply. Power cord. A USB flash drive, which contains the printer's driver and user manual. USB cable. A pack of cleaning swabs. Loading of cards and ribbons. Open the front hatch to access the card input hopper. Slot the blank cards into the hopper. Loading of ribbons. Pull the tab to open the access hopper. Remove the ribbon spindle by sliding it out with the handle. Slot the two ribbon cores into their respective mounts. Push the ribbon cord down until it snaps in place. Slide the ribbon holder back into the printer. Close the hatch. The P900 is specifically designed for today's cloud environments and gives you the ability to easily issue great-looking ID and membership cards securely. From corporate IDs, access cards, event badges to membership cards and many more. For more inquiries, please contact our respective offices.